everybody, it's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. I've been getting a lot of requests for a tour of our house and our property. And so today I'm going to give you a little background about our property, and then we're going to do a tour of a few of the rooms inside. So if you see behind me here, this is our house slash barn. So we'll call it a Barndominium from here on through. But so from right here down to right here where this little roof line changes, that is our barn. And then directly attached to that down here where this porch is, that's our house. And so we did a huge renovation to this property when we came here. It was a barn slash house when we got here, so that structure kind of remained the same, but we completely gutted everything inside the house and remodeled that. We also kind of changed the roof line here, replaced the roof, painted everything. We really did a complete remodel of everything. So I'll throw a few pictures in of what it looked like when we bought the place 5 years ago, and then this is what it looks like as of July 2021. So we're gonna head on up to where those steps are. That's where our front door and front porch is. So we're gonna head over that way. Come along. All right guys, so we're here on the front porch. This is the front door. When we originally bought the house, there was no door here. It was just a wall. So we added that. There were porches that went all the way around the house. I'll show some video and some pictures of that too, or I may do a different video altogether to show that renovation. But let's go through the door and I'll show you what we got. Before we go in, I will say, so this house was maybe 1,500 square feet, 2 or 3 bedrooms, but they weren't really official bedrooms. This was really a weird layout kind of property. So we had to create kind of what was here. It was really just 2 big open spaces. So we will show you what we did. We've created about 2,000 square feet now. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a brand new full kitchen. We added a laundry room, a master bathroom, a kind of sunroom, library, playroom for our grandkids, and then a pantry. So those were the rooms that we kind of added on. That used to be a back porch, and we created that space. So let's go in. I'll show you what we got. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the little overview of our kitchen, living room, and kind of dining space. We have really enjoyed having this property. When we moved here in 2017, it took us a little over a year to complete all of the renovations. The original kitchen was maybe a quarter of this size. It kind of took up from about here over, if that. It was very small and very dark because the whole second level came all the way through here and completely blocked out all the light. So we really did change a lot. We opened this up completely because this up here was another bedroom and bathroom, and we took that out so that we would have a nice big open kitchen with light that would feel really good to us. So I will throw some pictures up of what it looked like before. It's a completely different space. So I did want to talk about a few of the features of the kitchen that people do ask about. The first one being the refrigerators. So we did use two basic refrigerators that are refrigerator up top, freezer drawer on the bottom, and we just swapped out the door on one so that it would open up like a French door refrigerator. This was instead of one of those sub-zero $10,000 refrigerators. Those are great. I love them. I wish I could afford one, but I cannot. It's not in my budget. But I also knew that I would need more space than just what one fridge would hold, and I didn't want to have to run out and do the whole garage fridge. I don't really have a garage, I have a barn, but I didn't want to do that every time. I wanted to have all that refrigerator space right here in my kitchen, and so this has been a great budget-friendly way to have that. And so maybe that'll inspire some of you and help you solve a problem in your own kitchen by doing something like that. The next thing you'll notice is I do not have any upper cabinets, not officially. I do have a couple over the refrigerator here, and then there's one over my microwave, but all of the rest, we left that out intentionally. We have all drawers on the bottom of the rest of the kitchen, and that has been a lifesaver. It's been a game changer. You can use every bit of space when you have a drawer rather than everything kind of getting lost in the back of your cabinet and having to kind of crawl back there to find things. So this was a great investment into the drawers. I don't really think it was much more expensive than a regular cabinet. So that's another thing. If you're trying to utilize all the space in your kitchen, drawers is a good way to go. The next thing you'll notice is we have a nice big 6-burner stove and a nice big sink. Again, that's just to help with all the cooking and the washing of the dishes. We're cooking, 3 meals a day in here. This is the workhorse of our house. The kitchen is performing a lot of different duties for us. Not just the cooking, but preserving, canning, dehydrating, all that stuff is happening here. We also do not have a formal dining space. We do use the island here to do most of our general, meal eating. And that's fine because the only people that really live here full time are myself, my husband, and our oldest daughter. My youngest daughter, who is 17. Our other kids, they don't live in the house with us. So for 3 people, this is plenty of space. We're all not here at the same time usually anyway because we all are, have other obligations sometimes. So this is where we eat. When we do need a bigger space, we do bring in some tables and chairs, and we use that for Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, and stuff like that. So we make it work. Thank you guys for joining me today here at Row & Co Farms. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the kitchen, and I can't wait to show you some of the other spaces that we've renovated. So there'll be some upcoming videos. Be looking out for them. Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out when those do come out. If you want to see some more content, of course, subscribe to the channel, but you can also find me over on Instagram every single day. I have lots of great content over there too. So look for us at Row & Co Farms over on Instagram, and you can also find me on our website, rowcofarms.com. I can't wait to see you guys there, and we'll see you on the next video.